All right, buttermilk pie, anyone? This is a very simple, easy pie that takes only a couple minutes to mix up. So we start off with 3 eggs in a bowl. I'm gonna mix them. I have already melted my butter down in the microwave. I like to get my eggs mixed up a little bit. I like a little bit fluffy. And then for each pie you're making, it's 3 eggs, 1.5 cups of sugar. So I'm only making 1 pie. So I'm going to put 1.5 cups of sugar. I'm cooking with unsalted butter. So I always add a little salt. And then to make the custard setup, this is a little bit over a tablespoon of flour. But I like to put these in together so when I'm whisking it up, I won't have any lumps from the flour. It'll be all in the sugar and it will be incorporated. Mix that up like that. Of course, you need lemon flavor. And the amount you put in depends on how strong that extract. This is the Watkins, so this is very strong and good, so it doesn't take as much. If we're using a cheaper one, then you might have to add more. So now I've got a 1/2 cup of butter that I melted down. And we're gonna put probably about a 1/2 cup of buttermilk. 3/4 cup. I'm gonna mix this all up. I'm going to pour this into the pie shell. We're going to bake this about 325 for 30-40 minutes. I'll let you know the exact time when it's ready. But 325, we like to cook it slow so that custard will set and you don't want your crust to be too brown. I'll let you see it when it's done.